and my name's Faith. This is my mom and dad. And this is my little sister Lily and my baby sister Arabelle. Welcome to our farm. Hi there, today we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies, and they're gonna be chewy. We're going to start off by getting a bowl, any type of bowl. You can be electric mixer, hand mixer, and any type of spatula. We're going to start by adding 1.5 cups of flour to the bowl. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some baking, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And then mix that together. So now we're going to put this flour, salt, and baking soda aside. We're going to bring in another little bowl. You're going to take 8 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to put it in this bowl. You're going to take your brown sugar. It's a 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I added a little bit too much for a 1/4 cup. Okay? Then you're going to take 1/2 cup of white sugar. We're going to take a spatula again, another one. We're going to mix. Tip with the butter, I normally do it for 10 seconds and it's the perfectly softened butter. And my tip is use an electric mixer when you're mixing together sugar, butter, and brown sugar. And you have to put softened butter in your bowl or whenever you're mixing, because with a hard butter, it gets all clumpy and it won't mix. And especially when you're doing hand mixing, it won't work. I'll show you the sheet afterward. We found the sheet and it shows the perfect cookie, overbaked, not enough flour, too much flour, overbeaten egg, butter not melted, or butter not softened. You need to have your butter softened for your cookie to be the right texture and not to fall apart. Now it's Lily's turn to mix. And right here we have our dry ingredients. You're gonna add, I think people do this the opposite way, but this is just the way I'm doing it right now. You're gonna add your wet ingredients after you add the egg and the vanilla. It's 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You're gonna add it to your dry ingredients. And and then after you mix it together a little bit, because you don't want to overbeat the egg, you're gonna pour it in. You're gonna pour it in this. You're gonna mix it until it forms a ball. Then you're gonna add your chocolate chips and fold in. Now Lily's gonna add the egg for us, even though I already cracked it. Lily, can you have the egg? If you drop an eggshell in there in your mix, it's okay. Just grab it out with a fork or your hand. Next is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. It's too dark. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Oh, we still need that. So I got her egg, vanilla, brown sugar, white sugar, and butter. Right here. Now, stir this together. So, they're gonna want to use a fork. That spatula wasn't working for me. We'll form a dough shape. Once you think all the flour is off the bowl, scrape the sides just in case. Then you're gonna take your chocolate chips, using a quarter to half a cup of chocolate chips, and pour them all in. Then you're gonna change from a fork back to a spatula.
Let your sister lick the...
Yeah. If you have a sister or mom, then lick the fork that you use. You can put it in the fridge. Once you're done with it, you can put it in saran wrap and put it in the fridge. But we're too antsy and won't wait for it. So we want the cookies right away. We'll eat them when they're really burning hot. I still love them. Okay.
What do me and you keep doing?
Eating all the dough.
But it's so yummy.
Yeah, you can wait till the cookies are done.
Just a little bit?
No.
I just want a little bit.
No.
How about you, Lily? You want a little bit cookie dough?
No. We put the cookies in the oven for 350 degrees, and we put them in for 11 minutes. Normally it takes 9 to 13. Last time we had to do it 14, but I don't want to overbake them. And these ones, since they're chewy, they'll be soft no matter what. But on the inside, it'll look more like a cookie and not like the dough how you formed it in the oven before you put it in the oven.
Do you love your mom?
Yeah.